Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. I will now run Alpha Master, a free binary option robot, live, and you can use this robot also. Just use the link you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. Also, this link is now connected with the promo code. You just need to make a deposit more than $100 and you will get 50% on your first deposit. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. I will now start up this robot. Let's see. Let's start it up. Let's make sure we get 2 trades at once. And let's see how we do. I've done this a few times before. It's not often I do it, I need to admit, because I'm always so busy. But now let's see if we can get any trades here now. Let's close some of these things so we can follow the trades that come up. So now we just need to wait for a trade. That's the thing, some people they ask me, I did start up the robot and nothing is happening. See here, nothing is happening. Need to be a trade that is going within the criterion of our robot for a trade to come. So need to be, for example, one of the criterion is, for example, RSI, that the RSI need to be between 25 and 75, for example. That is one criterion, and then you have 2 another. One is about support resistance, and you have all these type of things. Bollinger Band, that you need to be outside of the Bollinger Band. The thing is, you have so many criteria that go inside the robot that all of them need to be at the same time valid. If they're not, he will not trade. That's why this robot is good, because he don't throw in trades right off the bat. That they need to be a good trade for the robot to take it. So now we just need to patiently wait for trades. The trades typically can take like 5 minutes one time, and that's why I don't do so often this type of videos, because it can be boring. Boring for me, sitting here talking to myself till a trade come in, and it's boring for you because typically what I do when I come in this situation with this type of robots, if I see that maybe have 2 trades and it's 20 minutes, I speed the video up 20x. So for you, basically everything happened within 1 minute. But I understand people want to see the real thing, and if I see this type of videos where I'm basically just talking to a blank screen, nothing is happening, if you find that interesting, because it's the real deal, right? It shows you what you can expect if you run the robot yourself. So I understand that can be more interesting. But if I see these type of videos get more views, because I measure my videos after views. So if I see a video get few views, I take it like, no, people did not like it that much. But if I see videos get a lot of views, I take it, okay, success, let's go in. But yes, this was a little boring. I think I'll go and get some water, so just stay with the chart. I'll get some water, or no, actually I think take coffee, because it's early morning, as you can see I'm a little tired. So I get some coffee. This will take some time, so just bear with me. While the coffee is warming up, let's see, nothing is happening here. No, we can just take our time. Also, if you want some background music, put it in the comments if you want that. Now let's see. As you can see, no trades yet. At least I got my coffee. Now let's see how long time you've been trading now. We've been trading for 6 minutes. So see, even my hair is not. I do not have so much hair as you can see, but the little hair I have was standing up. Early morning here in Brazil. There, we got our first trade. Perfect. There you see. People, start my robot, don't work, blah blah blah. No, you see, takes time. So 6 minutes did take before we got our first trade. Now let's see how this turned out. Now we got at least getting some action. I think I'll stop after like 2 trades because you see, it takes time. I can't be sitting here forever talking to myself. But yes, I think I'll put some, maybe I'll put some light background music on this. As I was walking away a little, getting my coffee and all this good stuff, because we need coffee. When you're waking up, I almost did not manage to keep my eyes open in the start of this video, but now it's getting better already. Coffee is needed. Let's follow this trend maybe. Let's push here. Let's open this one. Let's see. Okay, we are losing the first trade. Okay. The entry is good. You see there's a nice entry here. Now we open with a new position here. It was a beautiful entry in the top. I love it. I think I'm going for like, I think I will go for like $100 profit in this video. So 21,750. One person came ask me like, why don't we draw? So we are just $1,000 left. Why would I do that? You see, I'm trading with $50. That adds up very fast up to $1,000. So I don't do because I don't need to withdraw this money. That's why should I do that? Just to make you feel more good for yourself? No, I don't do that. Sorry. I trade for myself and I don't withdraw money just for other people feel better about themselves. I use much time and much. It's not this type of balance as you see sometimes I use in binary option, Forex and things. It's not something I build up after one day. It's something I've done over many years. So, and it's experience build up over many years. So no, I will not do that. Sorry. Also, make sure when you download this robot, give me some updates after how you're doing, how things are going for you, if you're making money, if you're losing money, because it's not written in stone that you will make money, of course, because everything is after your start balance, and some people have too small balance that they should even turn off martingale. Like you see now I start with $50, and you see I'm now up in $313. So some people should also turn it off, because it's not 2 we add up with 2.5, so it adds up very fast. So some should even turn off this thing. Now let's see, my target was 750 and we have already reached it, so we can now just stop this robot. We do that, we just push here. Then let's go and take a look at the trade we just did take. And this does not add up right away, just so you make sure that. And when I take today now, probably not come nothing down here. See, takes typically like 10 minutes before he knows, but we see already we have done 3 trades. This means around 33% win rate, but you see we did win in the end. Typically when I show these things, we have around 55–60% win rate. I show this in every single time I'm trading, by the way, so just go back and see the videos and you can see the win rate and all these type of things, because many are interested about this, of course, because it matters. In this way, for example, if you traded without martingale, you would have lost your first trade, but you would probably win the next, right? So you can run without the martingale, but if you run without martingale, here's one thing you need to know. Change your RSI a little. RSI, if you change that just a little bit to, like, I think it's 25 to, we can check that basically, let's see here now. And let's see. So it's 75, 25 now. If you change it to around 2080, for example, if you run without martingale, that will make a big difference for you. So you can even run this robot without martingale. And if still it's not good, just change everything just till you see you start to make decent money fast. And when you test out these things, do it on $1 trades. I know it's not exciting, but do at least like a $51 trade till you find your settings. If you want me to do this for you, also make a comment below the video, because if you are commenting that now, shows me that you're seeing the video to the end, and I appreciate that. So if you want me to do to optimize my robot for using without martingale, and that's something actually is interesting for me also, because then you're talking about a robot we can almost run 24/7. And then people, why don't run 24/7? Because there are news. There will, if you run it 24/7, you can have a profitable robot that makes you money, will lose your money because within 1 hour of the news, and maybe can news after each other, you will lose money all that time, and that then don't help. So you need to turn on off the robot in between the news at least. But still, it's something that is interesting and something we can look into together if you want that. And like I said, if you're so far in the video, at least make sure you like this video, and I'm sure you're a subscriber if you see so far to the video, so I hope you do that. And make a comment below. All these things help me so these videos get more views, because I want to see now if people have interest to see me talking like this. You see the real thing, you see me from start to finish. No editing with video where I'm speeding up the trades and things like that. If you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, make sure you see everything. I want to see that this video at least get a double view of the other videos, because this is more work for me, of course, but so need to be worth it for me. Okay, so with that, have an amazing day, and I hope you're successful. And if you're running this robot, tell me below in the comments. If you're losing money, tell me why. We can see if we can turn things around for you, so actually you can start making money, because I'm making money with this robot and you should too. So with that, have an amazing day.